Hey there everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to use template in Pixlr. You know how those fancy template you can use it for your cover page, for your projects, for the newsletter, for a magazine, newsletter cover or like magazine, or any of your posts or stuff like that. Yeah. So it can come really handy at times. It can also work whenever you're making like those birthday wish card or like greeting card and stuff, festival cards where you wish Merry Christmas or stuff like that. It can come handy in many situations. So let's dive right in. Let's go to Pixlr, and this is where you use the template. You can tap in the template option. Let's tap in there, and you can choose the template you'd like. As you can see, there are many templates, so yeah, fancy. Maybe you want to also make a post for your brand, it can work in that as well. Yeah, so let's say I want to choose this template over here. So all I have to do is replace photo. What it does is you're seeing this beautiful picture of a camping site where there's a tent and stuff. This photo will get replaced and you can add your own photo to it. So let's tap in that replace photo option, and let's tap this photo over here, and there you go. So this is how you use template in Pixlr. You can also try many other templates according to your preference or your need. It's totally up to you. Now you already know how to do that. No matter whatever template you use, the process is the same. So I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I would really appreciate that. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.